I'm extremely satisfied with this muffler, this Flowmaster series. It's worth every penny. I paid like 160 some odd dollars on eBay. Let me show y'all what I did real quick. Now, the kit is very, very easy. Anybody can do it that is somewhat mechanically inclined. I went a different route. I wanted to kind of put my muffler in the middle of where the stock one used to be. So I added, let me zoom in a little bit for you. I added that down there, just kind of like a spacer to space it out a little bit. Welded that on there. Welded my muffler to this runner right here. And then ended up welding this piece of metal rod right here to the original hanger. I didn't weld it to the hanger, I just welded it to the middle. And then this runner right here comes up and over the axle to right here to the 90. Welded this rod right here so I can reuse the original hanger, and welded my 90 on here. Now you can use the bolt up and you can use the original hangers. I just wanted to use factory. I'm kind of a factory person. So the 90, hitting my head on everything. The 90 sits true and level. Extremely satisfied with it. And let me start it up for you so you can hear it.